In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ieshims.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Then hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down, and then you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type, and then wait for this to be downloaded. Click on the folder icon once downloaded, then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Right click on the DLL file and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder and double click. Locate the System32 folder. If you're a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click, select paste and click on continue. Once done, close everything and then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option and then simply click the download link corresponding to your system type, then install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Also consider an update, so click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates for your Windows. So I hope this video helped you, and kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.